Galing kami sa pictorial ng aking darling. Ayan, so i-upload ko yung videos. So today guys ay birthday ng aking asawa. Ayan siya. Hi darling. So birthday niya ngayon guys. Dadaan akong Farmers dahil bibili ako ng cake. Dahil may nag-sponsor sa kanyang cake. Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan guys. So see you later. Guys, dito na kaming Farmers. Ayan, so bibili ako dyan ng cake. Ako guys sa loob ng Farmers at bibili na ako ng cake. Ayan, yan na yung Ayan, pipili na ako dito ng cake, guys. Oh, diba? Sarap ng cake nila, oh. Itong main ko sunrise cake at saka itong ano, chocolate dedication cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Daddy. Oh, wish. Wish mo na, Daddy, wish. Daddy mo na, Daddy mo na. I-ano mo, i-blow mo.
Happy birthday. Wag mo na ha, wag mo na i-hip.
Oh, wish. Wait lang, Japper, Nuno ha. Daddy first, Daddy. Jabid, upo ka, Jabid.
Yan, sana bukas mayaman na ito.
Yeah, inshallah. Ay, apila tong ano yung isa para sabay.
Oh.
And more grace.
Ano na electric fan?
Sana makapasarap po.
Oh.
Ay, patera ko na electric fan.
Jabid, upo ka nga. Jabid, dito ka, Jabid.
Oh, yan na.
Okay na?
Oh, wish. Jabid, alis ka nga muna, Jabid.
Ayaw mo lang, ayaw mo.
Go.
Blue na.
Go, blue. One more. One more. Yay! Oh, picture mo na.
Okay.
Picture mo na.
Picture. Dahil dito na pa kami. Kami.